community manager of the Grand Velas Los Cabos resort, and let me share with you some of the things that we're making to make sure that all our rooms are sanitized. So in every single room, when we just clean the room, we sanitize the whole room and we put a seal at the door that you can break when you just get into the room. That way you can make sure that it's all clean for you and that you're going to be the only person that is going to break the seal. We're also going to take in this care of all the amenities that we put on the minibar, and we are also making all these clean points like the TV remote control, all the contact things that you have the most. So we're hoping that you feel very safe to travel here with us, and we're very happy to have you here.